people? Welcome back to Startup Therapies. Here is where I show you self-care techniques with massage and how to stretch your body, total package. Right now I'm going to show you how to literally hang in order to get a stretch. So this stretch is for the latissimus dorsi, that's this muscle. Up under here, the lats and a little bit of the serratus anterior muscles. I like to do this. There we go. And just hang a little bit. It's a really good stretch. So here I am hanging like a rock climber. You're getting this a really good stretch. You should try this. You can do it for like 5-10 seconds, switch, go to your arm. This is gonna help, especially if you work at a computer or you work with your arms a lot. It's a really good one. Trying it here with my other arm. And I'm not gripping. I'm not making a muscle here. That's not what you want to do. You want to sort of let it hang. There we go. Think Laffy Taffy. There we go. Think Laffy Taffy. And this is good for anyone who's a swimmer. Alright, I repositioned my arms, and you could pretty much get a good stretch anywhere. Now remember, when you stretch, you don't want to hurt yourself. You don't want to feel any pain. You should just feel a nice little stretch. I hope that was helpful. For me personally, it opened up my pecs, gave me some pain relief in the trap area, so try that. Let me know how it goes. Leave a comment down, subscribe to my channel, ask me questions about how to stretch. We're going to be going through all sorts of things, and self-care massage. I hope to see you soon. Have a good night.